forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, ja. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with that.
They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another house hunting video. Now,
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.